I need my big mirror, magnify mirror, to see what I'm doing now. And I'm going to use my little gem crystals, and I am going to use the glue so I can put some crystals on this eye look. It's a pretty eye look, but I want some crystals. I'll relax my eyes because I have hooded eyes, so I want to make sure I am doing it correct. That's the glue, and I am going to put one here. You have an idea of what I'm doing, right? I'm trying to do them one by one so I can get it right.